Okay, well, building a modern, unique, and customized tiny home on wheels require carefully planning, creativity, and attention to detail. Here are some detailed tips to help you get started. Then, for the first aspect is about the design and layout. We have several points. The first point is about the reflect your personality. We can incorporate personal touches and unique features that reflect your personality, interests, and lifestyle. Then for the next point, it's about optimize space. We can plan the layout to maximize space, reduce clutter, and promote workflow. Then we can consider an open floor plan, multifunctional space, and built-in storage as usual. Then for the next point is about the customized furniture. We can design and build custom furniture that fits your needs, your style, and the space constraint. Then for the second aspect is about sustainability materials. The sustainability materials has several points. The first point is about eco-friendly materials. We can choose materials that are sustainable, recycle, or locally resources. Example include reclaimed wood, bamboo, and low VOC paints. And then for the next point, it's about energy efficient appliance. We can select appliances that are energy efficient and suitable for tiny home living, such as a propane or electric appliance. Then for the third point is about the green roofing. It was important. We can consider incorporate green roofing or living walls to promote insulation, reduce energy consumption, and create a natural ambience. Then for the third aspect is about unique features. Then for the first point of it is about custom artwork. We can incorporate custom artwork, murals, or unique decorative elements that reflect your personality and style. Then for the next point is about innovative storage and unique storage. Design and build innovative storage solutions that maximize space and reduce clutter, such as hidden compartments or secret storage areas. Then for the next point is about the smart technology. It was very important for nowadays. We can incorporate smart technology such as automated lighting, temperature control, or security systems to enhance the functionality and convenience of your tiny home. The fourth aspect is about the off-grid capabilities. The off-grid capabilities have several points, and the first point is about the solar power. We can consider installing solar panels to generate electricity and reduce reliance on external power sources. Then for the next point is about the rainwater harvesting. We can collect and store rainwater for non-potable uses, such as a flushing toilet or washing clothes. Then for the next point, it's about the composting toilet. We can consider installing a composting toilet to reduce water consumption and waste. Then for the fifth aspect, it's about the customization and personalization. And of course, it's depend on your personality anyway. Then for the first point of it is about the personalized interior design. We can work with an interior designer or take inspiration from design blocks to create a personalized interior design that reflects your style and preference. Then for the next point is about the custom exterior finishes. We can choose custom exterior finishes such as unique siding materials or colors to make your tiny home stand out. Then for the next point is the unique accessories. We can incorporate unique accessories such as custom lighting fixture or decorative elements to add personality to your tiny home anyway. Then for the sixth aspect is about the practical consideration. Then for the first point of it is about research local regulation. We can understand local laws and regulation, of course, regarding tiny homes on wheels, including zoning restriction and building codes. Then for the next point, it's about the plan and for storage. We can consider storage solution for items that won't fit in the tiny home, such as outdoor storage unit or off-site storage facilities. Then for the third point of it is about the budgeting. We can create a budget and plan for ongoing expenses, including maintenance, insurance, and utility bills. Then for the next aspect, this is the seventh aspect of it is about the building and construction. And the first point of it is choose a reputable builder. It was very, very important to choose a reputable builder. We can consider working with a builder who has experience building tiny homes on wheels. Then for the second point is about the use high quality materials. Okay, then we can also invest in high quality materials that are durable and sustainable. Then for the next point of it is about the consider energy efficiency. Then we can design the tiny home to be energy efficient using features such as insulation, double glass windows, and energy efficient appliance. Then for the next aspect, this is the eighth aspect is about the maintenance and upkeep. Then for the first point of it is about regular maintenance. Regularly inspect and maintain the tiny home system, including plumbing, electrical, and AVAC. Then for the second point of it is about cleanliness. Keep the tiny home clean and be organized to reduce stress and improve mental health. Then for the third point of it is about the seasonal preparation. We can prepare the tiny home for seasonal change, such as winterizing pipes or installing storm windows. Then by following the steps, you can build your modern, unique, and customized tiny home on wheels that reflect your personality, meets your needs, and promote well-being of your life.